Hey everyone, welcome to your practice. Today we are focusing on releasing tension in the lower back and unlocking tight hips, two areas that often hold stress and stiffness. Whether you've been sitting for hours or just need a mindful reset, this yoga sequence is here to support your body and bring ease to your spine and hips. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale fully through the mouth. Let your shoulders drop and invite your body to settle into the present moment. We'll start with gentle seated cat-cow stretches. On your inhale, arch your spine, lift your chest and draw the shoulders back. Exhale, round the spine, tucking your chin gently toward the chest. Repeat this motion with your breath, creating space through the lower back. Now come onto your back for figure 4 stretch. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Thread your hands through and hold the back of your left leg. Gently draw the leg toward your chest, feeling that deep opening in your right hip. Stay here for a few breaths, then switch sides. Let's move into a low lunge. Step your right foot forward, left knee down. Sink your hips forward and down, keeping the chest lifted. This posture helps open the hips flexors, relieving tension from the lower back. Add a gentle twist if it feels good. Bring the left hand down and right arm up. Now, lie back and hug both knees into the chest. Rock side to side, massaging the lower spine. Take a deep breath here and exhale. As we come to the end of our practice, extend your legs long, arms by your sides. Allow the body to rest in Savasana. Feel the openness in your hips and the lightness in your lower back. You've created space, strength, and softness. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again for more mindful movement. Have a great day.